Today's topic: how to spend money wisely. Make a plan. Save for the short term. Invest for the long term. And use credit wisely. Choose a reasonable rent or mortgage payment. Treat yourself. Never stop learning. Stop trying to impress other people. Figure out what habits drain your budget. Start investing early. Cut down on food waste. Make a list of what you value. Make a list of things you really enjoy. Start writing down each purchase you make. Put future spending on a calendar. Little big luxuries. Beware of your debt. Create multiple income streams. First save, then spend. Pay bills on time. Use only when necessary. Remember, cash rules everything. Go shopping with your parents. Don't be influenced. Understand the power of time. You need to spend on money responsibilities first. And you will be a tension-free man after all. Here is a bonus tip. Subscribe to JES CUTZ for more videos. Let's keep a like aim of 100. It's only take 2 seconds to hit that like and subscribe.